Nestled in the highly sought-after Four Seasons tract, this expanded floor plan offers 4 bedrooms plus a bonus room, a 3-car garage, and has some of the nicest upgrades you'll find, making this feel like a custom home. All tucked away on a quiet interior street and serviced by Fountain Valley's top-ranked schools. The pleasant curb appeal of this grand front entry starts with the manicured front yard with artificial turf, pavers, low-maintenance landscaping, and sitting areas. Welcome to 8938 Martin Avenue in Fountain Valley. Come on in, we know you're going to love what you see. Entering the residence through the custom front door, this popular floor plan has been reimagined for a more open concept and offers a nicely sized living room with a half bathroom and large format tile throughout much of the first level. The efficient layout flows into an expanded kitchen fit for any chef, featuring extra custom cabinets with undermount lighting and quartz countertops, stainless steel KitchenAid appliances, including a 6-burner gas stove, pantry space, a sitting peninsula, and mosaic backsplash. Off the kitchen, enjoy casual cuisine in the bistro area or more formal dining in the enlarged dining room, with both areas having doors to the backyard. Open to the kitchen is the family room with custom built-in cabinets, surround sound speakers, a built-in desk and drawers, and a slider to the backyard. The meticulously curated details continue in the highly secluded showpiece backyard. You feel like you don't have neighbors, serving as another gathering center to entertain family and friends year-round, starting with a newer aluminum patio cover spanning the width of the house with canned lights and ceiling fans, offering multiple sitting areas, along with a large island with a bull barbecue and side grills, refrigerator and above-ground hot tub, stone flooring and painted concrete, all surrounded by artificial turf, lush flowers, fruit trees, and a storage shed. Back inside, a portion of the 3-car garage was redesigned into a separate laundry room with a sink and cabinets. The garage will impress enthusiasts, offering epoxy floors, lots of storage cabinets, and a new garage door and opener. Upstairs, the owner's suite has been reconfigured to allow for a large and luxurious in-suite bathroom with a step-in shower, dual sinks, as well as a sophisticated walk-in closet with drawers, shelves, and an island and luxury vinyl flooring. 3 additional bedrooms share a nicely appointed hallway bathroom with shower and tub. Off one of the bedrooms is a finished bonus room not counted into livable square footage. And how cool is this room? Perfect as a crafts room, a kid's playroom, an office, or even a workout place. Other upgrades include crown molding, ceiling fans, recessed lighting, and dual pane windows throughout, paid-for solar and a 200-amp panel, copper plumbing, a relined main sewer line and clean-out, a newer AC located on the roof so it's out of the way, attic insulation and roof vent, rain gutters, and close by, Harper Park and Playground offer a great space for walking, playing with kids and pets, or simply enjoying the beautiful open space. A short commute to world-class beaches and the fine dining, entertainment, and shops at Main Street, Pacific City, Bella Terra, Costco, and Whole Foods. Also close to Huntington Beach Central Park, Library and Senior Center, the Huntington Beach Sports Complex, the Equestrian Center, Meadowlark Golf Course, South Coast Plaza, the Orange County Fairgrounds, and more. Easy access to major freeways and Pacific Coast Highway. The love and attention to detail that has gone into this home is evident everywhere you turn. Experience the best of California coastal living all year round. We hope you've enjoyed all the meticulous details of this great house and the love and memories that this family has had here, and they're ready to give it over to you and your family. And remember, great homes in this neighborhood and this location rarely come on the market. This is a true gem. Give us a call today for a private showing.